What's up guys, I'm JJ and I make YouTube videos about sneakers, and you should probably subscribe to my channel because a lot of my content is pretty okay. Here's a pair of shoes I got for you. As you can see from the box, it's a LeBron 15, and as you can see from this sticker right here, it's from the Nike outlet. Let's take a look at the box. It says LeBron James. The back of the box got a Nike logo. Zoom LeBron, something like that. Let's check out the sneakers. Here's the shoe. In my opinion, the shoes are pretty fire. Now let's get an up close and personal look of this sneaker in 1080p high definition. This is a solid gray shoe right here. I can't hate on it at all. It's got a nice little gold Nike logo at the back. XV sign right there. It is the LeBron 15, in case you didn't already know. It's pretty solid. There's not much to say about the sneaker, so I think I'm just going to throw it on foot. You can check out my other LeBron 15 video, of the Ghost LeBron that it dropped when the Ghost LeBron came out, for my opinions on the shoe. I don't love it for basketball, but I know a lot of people think it's pretty good. So let's cut to the on-foot review. Alright guys, so after I got my friend to throw these on, I came to the realization of a few things. The shoe is made of Battle Knit and Battle Max technology, and I thought these are cool terms that Nike invented. The other thing I remembered was this lacing mechanism here is a little bit sensitive, and I don't think it'll last very long, but I don't know if any people have had issues with these in the long term, but it doesn't look too strong in my opinion. Other than that, the shoe looks pretty fly. As looks go, it's a very solid basketball shoe, I must admit. It's quite gorgeous. I mean, I don't think anyone can deny that. Now, if we were to look at the back here, I do notice it says 23 right here. You would notice that on my videos because while I shoot in good quality, there's a nice LeBron James logo right there. Gold Nike logo at the back. It's pretty fly. Tell me what you think of these in the comment section below. I know the Ghost colorway I had in the beginning is kind of hyped now because it was a limited sneaker, but I think these look better. I do think these look better. For now, I think that's all. Make sure to subscribe to my channel because my content is pretty reasonable, and I got a lot of sneakers to shoot. So, thanks for watching. Goodbye.